Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode the concept of logarithms. We will understand this chapter throughout the series, and we will try to understand why we guys are studying this chapter, what is the application of this chapter in our real life, like why this chapter is important when it comes to JEE Mains and advanced preparation and other Olympiad competitions. Okay, so first try to understand what is logarithms. So this bubble is the representation of log a to the base b. It is complete set. Okay, so it is read as log a to the base b is a number when raised on b produces a for all a and b belongs to positive number and b not equal to 1. Now try to understand what is this. So the idea is this is log, then we will write this a. Please understand the notation, where I am writing, why I am writing, this is very important. So it is log a to the base b. Okay, so who is this thing? This thing is representation of a number. Suppose it is x, means what is this? This is a number na. So this log a to the base b is also a number. Okay, now try to understand the meaning of these statements. So it is like log a to the base b is a number when raised on b, means when we will raise this number on b na, we will get a. Okay, so these two informations are the same thing. I hope you guys are clear. Okay, now try to understand. Wait a moment. Now try to understand this. So this is log a to the base b. First try to understand this. Who is this person? This is argument. We will call it as argument. Okay, and this person is base. I hope these two things are clear. Okay, now try to understand why we guys are studying log. Like the scientist who has developed this chapter no has an intuition that this will help them to simplify the calculation. Okay, so how does they explain? So they goes this way, like suppose in an examination you have 4 questions, and out of 4 questions you have to solve only 2 questions. You know that in basic maths we have add, subtract, multiply and divide. Suppose that you have a question number 1 which contains addition and question number 2 which contains multiplication, and you have to choose one of them. I hope you guys will go with addition. So what does this log do? Log changes multiplication question into addition question. You, although you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division very like flawlessly you guys can solve, but still if you guys have to opt over addition or multiplication, definitely you guys will go through addition. Same way, if in the next question, if I'll give you the question between like subtraction and division and you have to choose one of them, definitely you guys will opt for subtraction. Why? Because the like this chapter, it is simple also, because this chapter converts division into subtraction. Okay, so these are the two manipulations which they have given you guys. Also, suppose that I will give you one of the question, like just tell me the value of this thing. So you know that the value of 2 power 4 is 16. So I can ask you guys to find out the number of digits in this integer. So you guys can respond, sir, it is 16, so the number of digits will be 2. Suppose I'll give you this question, 2 power 40, and then I'll ask you to find out the number of digits. And by the end of this chapter, you guys will be able to answer these kind of questions as well. I hope this basic introduction is done with you guys. If you guys are okay, then please let us know. We will use your ideas, opinions into our next sessions. And let's jump onto the questions part. Okay, so see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.